I will go over there. I will get some spring onions for my macaroni pasta and coriander leaves and mint leaves. So I will go over there. Now we'll go pass by here. Ayan, daanan doon. Punta tayo. So I will get this spring onions. But I will get only this like this. What is fall down like this? What is broken? Yan. What is only broken? I have to get. And these are coriander leaves. You see, coriander leaves. So I will get also some coriander leaves. Very nice smell. Yan, coriander leaves. Oh. And these are native garlics. Some our goats is there. I don't know where are they. Here also there is here. One goat here. New vegetable is coming here. I don't know what is this vegetables. I don't know what my husband plant here. I will add more this spring onion. This is garlic. I add more spring onions because there are more some broken here. Huh? क्या पता क्यों? You open before? Keluarga. May budigo apa? Huh? Hmm? This onions we plant last November 14 and then will be harvest by May inshallah. So 2 months more. See this one broken, oh, yan. But will be okay. Kasi sayang yung ano na broken. Kaya kunin ko na lang. Hmm. Still there is radish here. Tubers of radish. And also leaves. But I think this cannot be already to eat because it's already hard. Yan mga radish. You find or no? Huh? Hala, where are they? Our small goats. Where are they? I don't know. So I think this is enough. This coriander leaves. I want to go there down. I will find mint leaves there or pudina. Because Fatma, she said she will make chutney. I will get mint leaves. After a weeks, then it will become more big. This one become more mint leaves here. These are all mint leaves. Oh. Yan, mga maliliit pa. Oh. So ito lahat yung aking kinuha na coriander leaves, spring onions at saka itong mint leaves. Ayan. Doon ako kumuha ng mint leaves, maliliit pa. Ayan, oh. Mga native garlics, coriander leaves ito. Ayan. Yan mga coriander leaves yan. Ito mga spring onions. Yung mga broken, I get this one. Like this one. Oh. Ayan.